You've been learning about your Holland's personality types and work values and how all those fit into a career. When you were doing your research, you were basing it off of onetonline.org. You could go to the advanced search. You could search by interests, which is your Holland personality types. Mine would be conventional. And these are the careers that showed up for the personality type of conventional. Job zone 1 is the least amount of education required, and it goes down to 5, which would be the highest amount of education that you would need. Once you found a career that you liked, you would have chosen it. Click on it. I'm going to click on web designer. If you notice on your research sheet, the categories, tasks, technology skills, knowledge, and the others all line up. All you had to do is read some of these pieces of information, put it into your own words. So the goal is for you to learn about a career that you didn't know anything about. Maybe think about the classes you'll need to take in high school to see if you really like the career. And if you do, those classes should help prepare you to be successful when you graduate high school to go on to college to start classes in that career. So once you've done your research, we are going to create a video about your job. Now everyone's been asking, I don't understand how I'm supposed to make a video based on my research. Well, I want you to go to Iowa AEA Online, and I'll go back one maybe. So go to iowaAEonline.org. This is the home screen. You're going to scroll down to see Bookflix. Click on the link. Mine will probably log me in automatically. If yours does not log you in, the password username is 2113 Essex HS, password Green Hills. This will be in the Google Classroom. So on Bookflix, click Start. There are lots of different books on here. I'm going to have you go to Earth and Sky. And once you go to Earth on Sky, there's lots of picture books, lots of books you can read. There's one called Snowflake Bentley. Click on that one. So how do you take a career that you've researched and learn a little bit about, and how do you make it into a video? The video software will be different, but this is just a book to show you how to create a story from a career. Snowflake Bentley's career was a photographer. He was the very first person ever to photograph a snowflake. So they wrote a book, Snowflake Bentley, and there is a video about Snowflake Bentley. And you can watch the video. It's 11 minutes, 51 seconds. Actually, I think it's longer. Maybe like 13 minutes, but it's all about Snowflake Bentley. His career was a photographer. That's how you could write a story. Career being photographer, write about Snowflake Bentley, and he was the first person ever to photograph a snowflake. Another example, if you go under Earth and Sky, or go under Family and Community, there's a story called I Stink. It's kind of funny. Right here, I Stink. This is an animated video or story about a garbage truck operator. And it just goes through how to collect garbage in the perspective of the garbage truck. It's kind of funny to watch or to listen to. So be very creative. You need to create a story with characters that has a plot to it and has dialogue to it. You can watch any of these videos on Bookflix. Be very helpful in trying to decide how to create your video. But don't make a boring video. This is a teacher. This is what a teacher does. Nobody wants to listen to that or watch it. So kind of get inspired and watch some of these videos on Bookflix. And then I will show you the graphic organizer on how to start writing your story.